Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to wear glasses properly. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you have glasses like me, I'm going to show you and tell you how to wear them properly. Really easy to do. So you're going to get your glasses, and obviously they're going to be off your face. Now when you put them on, you're going to open up the arms of the glasses like that, okay? And essentially, you see this right here, this is going to end up being behind your ear. So you're going to put the arms towards the sides of your head, over top of your ear, just like this, okay? And then when it gets to the point where it's going to be behind your ear, you sort of bring it down, okay? Just like that. And then you let the glasses rest on your nose. Now, when you're letting the glasses rest on your nose, I mean, it's up to you for your own preference, but you have to have them somewhere on your nose that makes sense. Meaning, they can't be too far down, they can't be too far up. And I'll tell you why. They gotta be somewhere in the middle, which is gonna be just right for you, okay? If they're too close to your eyes, if they're too far up, they're gonna probably be quite uncomfortable because they're gonna be sort of pressing over here. And also, what I've experienced is like my eyebrows end up marking up the glasses. My eyebrows end up putting oil on the glasses all the time because they're too close to my face. I generally wear my glasses too close to my face, to be honest with you. So I keep them too close to my face, and it's not uncomfortable for me, it feels great, but my eyebrows end up putting oil all on the glasses, on the lenses, and I gotta wipe them all the time. So that's what happens if they're too close. On the other hand, if they're too far, you run the risk that they're gonna fall off, number one. Number two, they're gonna obstruct the way that your nose sits, which is, your nostrils sit, which is not good. And it's gonna affect the way that you see, because your glasses are designed to allow you to see with the prescription at this spacing right here, right? If you bring them too far forward, it's gonna affect your vision because now the prescription doesn't quite make sense for the way that it's supposed to work. So you don't want them too close, you don't want them too far, you want them somewhere in between, probably about there. This would be too close, that would be too far. In between, right about there is probably right. And basically that's how you wear your glasses. I've shown you how to put them on, I've shown you how to allow them to sit, and I've told you the reasons and the understanding of why you should sort of have them sit in that way. And that's it. I've worn glasses for a very long time, an unbelievably long time. So yeah, I'm pretty experienced in wearing glasses. And yeah, that's it. I've just shown you and told you how to wear your glasses properly, and I've sort of explained myself as well. And that's it. I've got nothing else to say, so we are going to roll the outro for this video tutorial. So without further ado, here's the outro for this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.